The AH-64 Apache longbow is one of the most advanced and feared attack helicopters in the world. Developed by Boeing, it's designed for precision strikes against both ground and air targets. With a top speed of 108 km/h and a combat range of over 200 miles, the Apache is equipped with cutting-edge avionics, radar, and weapon systems. Its primary armament includes Hellfire missiles, Hydra rockets, and a 30mm chain gun, making it lethal in any battlefield. The Apache has been crucial in numerous military operations, proving its dominance in modern warfare.